The Black Death, unraveling the mystery of the medieval plague. The Black Death, one of the most devastating pandemics in human history, swept through Europe in the 14th century, leaving a trail of death and societal upheaval. Also known as the Bubonic Plague, this mysterious disease has intrigued historians and scientists for centuries. Unraveling its mysteries has been a challenging yet fascinating journey, shedding light on both the medical and social impacts of this ancient scourge. Origins of the plague. The origins of the Black Death can be traced back to the steppes of Central Asia, where the bacterium Yersinia pestis is believed to have originated. It was carried by fleas on rats, which traveled along trade routes, eventually reaching Europe via ships and caravans. The first major outbreak struck Crimea in 1347, rapidly spreading across the continent. Symptoms and spread. The symptoms of the Black Death were horrific and swift. Victims would develop painful, swollen lymph nodes known as buboes, accompanied by fever, chills, and weakness. These buboes often appeared in the groin, armpit, or neck. The disease spread rapidly through communities, aided by overcrowded and unsanitary conditions in medieval cities. Impact on society. The Black Death had profound effects on European society. Entire villages were wiped out, and the mortality rate was staggering, with some estimates suggesting it killed up to 60% of Europe's population. The sudden and widespread deaths created a labor shortage, leading to social and economic upheaval. Peasants demanded higher wages, and the feudal system began to crumble as the old social order was disrupted. Medical responses. During the medieval period, understanding of medicine was limited, and people were largely helpless in the face of the Black Death. Physicians, often with little knowledge of the disease's cause, resorted to crude treatments such as bloodletting and herbal remedies. Quarantine measures were also implemented, with infected individuals isolated to prevent further spread. Rediscovery of the plague. In the 19th century, the study of microbiology led to significant advancements in understanding infectious diseases. French scientist Alexandre Yersin identified the bacterium Yersinia pestis in 1894, which was later confirmed by Japanese researcher Shibesaburo Kitasato. This discovery confirmed the bacterial cause of the Black Death and paved the way for modern treatments and prevention strategies. Modern understanding and prevention. Today, we have a much clearer understanding of the Black Death and its causes. Yersinia pestis is known to primarily infect rodents, with fleas acting as the vector to transmit the bacteria to humans. Improved hygiene, sanitation, and antibiotics have made the Black Death a rare occurrence in developed countries. However, outbreaks still occur in regions with poor sanitation and healthcare infrastructure. The Black Death remains a haunting chapter in human history, reminding us of the devastating power of infectious diseases. Through centuries of research and discovery, we have unraveled many of its mysteries, from its origins in Central Asia to the role of fleas and rats in its transmission. The legacy of the Black Death extends beyond its death toll, shaping the course of European history and the development of medicine. As we continue to navigate new pandemics and challenges, the lessons learned from the Black Death serve as a stark reminder of the importance of vigilance, research, and preparedness in the face of infectious diseases.